Hi, I'm Connie with Pre-Motion by the River, and it's time to show you my January quilt that I finished for the UFO challenge. I picked 12 different quilt projects that I'm going to do this year, hopefully finish. And when at the beginning of the month, or the end of December, I picked my first pick, and it was number 10, and it was this 9-patch quilt. And I had it pieced. All I had to do was get it quilted. I really like the way it turned out. And the back is all pieced from different boutiques. So it's a pieced back. I quilted this on my 1591 vintage Singer sewing machine. It's been a while since I did a quilt this big on it, and you really do a lot of pushing, but it worked. I've got tables on the side and behind so I could get it done. So, did you do your UFO project for January? If you did, I hope you come over to my website. I've got where you can put your link up, and then we're going to do that again for February. So these are all the projects that I have left. I showed them last month, but you can see like the vintage Christmas from Lori Holt. I've got several quilts here that just need to be quilted. I've got kits. This is some spool quilt blocks, a kit that I haven't done anything with. This is a table topper kit by Melissa Gilbert. I've got string quilts, string blocks. This is a whole group of Sewers Club, like pouches and things. So let's see what I'm going to do for February. So I've got everything in here, move them around, and I'll pull one out, and that's what I'll work on. Sewers Club, number 7. And it says make 1, 2, 3, or all. There are actually 4 of these, and I've had them since last year. They're fun. Well, I've only done one so far, but so I will be working on these. I think I might start on this one first, and if I'm lucky, I'll get all of them done for the whole month. There's that one. These are from Sewers Club. It's cute. Oh, little box bag. And these kits, when they came, they include everything. Sometimes they got little quilt supplies, but they've got everything you need, the zipper, the fabric, the batting, everything you need to make whatever the project is. And the last one, Cupid's Catch-All. I should actually do that first. That's a perfect one for February. So that is what I will be working on. Please stop over to my website. It's easier for me if you go over there. I've got a blog post, and then I'll show what I'm going to be working on in February. I'll have a link up party where you can put yours, whatever project you work on this month. When you get it finished or worked on, you can add it to the Linky party, and then at the end of the month, I'll have a drawing, and there'll be a lucky winner. I'm going to draw a winner for January, and I will be posting that on my blog post when I get it done for this. So watch for the February 1st UFO blog post that I'll be doing. Thank you so much. I forgot to mention when I was talking about the Linky party on my website. It's a Linky party where you can add your link, but if you don't have a website, you can just take a picture of whatever your UFO is that you're working on, and you follow the directions. It'll ask you to put in your email address, and then you can upload the picture so that you can join the Linky party too, even if you don't have a website. So I hope you'll come over and do that. This is my UFO project for February. 1, 2, 3, or maybe I'll get them all done. Wish me luck.